Shukmar again, and as per our friend's request, I am planning to prepare one video on IT industry bench process. So normally, actually, when you join any IT company, in the sense actually very big IT companies, CMM level 5, level 3 companies, normally they will take for bench resource. In the sense, they will normally tell actually you are recruited for common pool, and so they will keep you in bench in the sense actually they will keep you ideal in the sense actually ask you to come and learn new process and everything during this bench period, and they are not assigning any project till they will find a good suitable project based on your skill set, your experience, your area of interest, right? So till the project assignment you will be keep idle. So that time normally they are calling in IT industry, they are calling as bench. Okay. So in case of small companies, say the startup company or very small companies, right? So there actually they cannot recruit without any project. So they will normally recruit you for any project, and they won't keep you idle for some time. They are not interested because their financial status will not allow them to keep many employees in bench for a long time. This is not possible. But in case of big IT companies, CMM level 5 companies, right? Say if you are interested to join the company, they are immediate. They have multiple projects, but based on your skill set and everything, right? They cannot immediately assign to the project. Actually, they need to identify the where we have a talent team, and then actually say recruitment team. All these people are there. They will scrutinize the profiles, and see normally they will take all the say employees as a bulk recruitment, right? And say in the sense actually they won't assign you directly the project. They ask you to keep, they ask you to wait for some time. This is called a bench period, I already told. And important thing, when you want to join big companies, you need to accept that bench period, and that is a very valuable period, by which actually this time actually the bench period time you don't want to waste any time. You keep on reading your the new technology or any new platform or package you want to get into. You need to identify which technology, which package, which software is having gaining good importance in coming days, in down the lane for the next coming 10 years. Say you need to learn those things, so you need to search through Google, and normally in IT industry they have a library there. You need to you go to the library, read the books, enrich your knowledge, cross skill or upskill, all these things, right? Say if you are working in actually, for example, SAP you need to cross skill in the sense you need to learn Ariba, and then you need to learn SAP WM, EWM, TM kind of thing. And upskill in the sense, in the same SAP we have a lot of new process will be there. So you need to identify those process and try to learn those new process, right? So that is called a kind of upskilling kind of thing. So you can in itself we have a lot of advancement is there, right? Actually, so just actually I said differently. Cross skilling in the sense actually if you are into then you need to learn SD, PP. Related to all other logistics module, right? And same way upskill means you need to actually say you need to learn lot of things in your same platform, area of interest, a scope of work in So you can learn Ariba, and then actually say we can say lot of e-procurement related Coupa kind of thing, right? You can upskill those kind of technologies or packages or solutions. So bench period is a more vital period for developing your knowledge, your skill set, your area of focus. You can plan lot of things, and say once you get into that project, once you get a suitable project based on your interest and skill set, ability, knowledge, you can show whatever you gained during the bench period, so you can apply into the client project, thereby getting good appreciation, yeah, good focus on you from the client or your management. So do not waste the bench period and don't consider as an idle process. It is the time by which you can enrich your knowledge, you can learn a lot of things, interact with industry leaders and try to get all these knowledges, right? That is very important. So you can also read different actually say pharma industry or life science industry or healthcare, how the industry is functioning. That is very important. What are the main typical process there, and what are the sub process available in that, and how to implement a particular process, how to map in SAP or say Oracle or any technology you are working, right? See, these are the I can say actually these are the efficient time by which one person or one IT consultant can upgrade themselves, right? So this is the when this bench process you need to come across when once or if you are interested to secure a job in big IT companies or CMM level 5 companies. Where in case of small IT companies, you cannot find this bench process because they will directly assign you to the project. They will normally work out actually, say from the employees how much they can get a revenue based on their work, based on the skill set, how they can deploy you in a particular project, thereby getting the client attention, how to secure a new project. But in big IT companies, they can showcase you that we have a big resource pool having good, yes, subject matter expert knowledge. So if you are providing the project to our company, we will definitely do our best with our best experts in our industry. So that is what they are recruiting in a bulk, and then keeping you in bench, asking you to upskill, get trained in a particular area, or asking you to train a new resource or campus hired person. So thereby you can enrich you can upskill your knowledge, you can refresh your knowledge, and also share your knowledge with fellow people or fellow employees, right? So resources, anything. And so you can involve in organization enrichment programs that will help you in to get a good rating in the year to year basis, right? So these are the primary objectives for a person to be on bench. So once you get into the project, you cannot find time to learn new things or new technologies, right? Because you are fully occupied with the client project activities. You need to work with the client. You need to work with the users. You need to work with the stakeholders. You need to properly provide reports, status reports, status updates, weekly status updates, and everything. And you need to conduct the daily calls, everything. You need to update the client in a proper way. You need to educate them in a new process and existing process. So you need to efficiently manage and focus only on the client projects, not on the new learnings, new knowledge developments and everything, right? So think on the efficient utilization of time during the bench process. That will help yourself as well as your company, your client, organization, everything. I hope actually this will help you to understand the bench process. Don't get depressed if you are in bench. This is a time you can learn. Actually, big IT companies normally can have the ability to keep their employees in bench and ask them to learn and showcase their clients, saying that actually we have some good resource pool. We can able to complete with this resource pool if you are giving the project. So that is why they are doing bulk recruitment. Okay. So I hope the details I have provided is very much useful, friends. Thanks, friends.